So I don't consider myself an elderly person yet, but I gotta say that this kind of like cart pusher, I mean, I think it is really good for elderly people for sure, 100%. But also, if you're recovering from like a post-op or something like that, if you just had surgery or something, and you need some assistance to walk while also having storage to go to the supermarket and things like that, this one could be also really good. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but as you can see, it goes super smooth. It goes 360. It has some adjustment points and also comes with brakes. Let's take a close up. So a couple things about this one. Number one, you gotta see how smooth this one is. It goes 360. It has kind of like three wheels, one on the front side and two on the back. So this one's gonna be kind of like multi-direction, but also really, really smooth, as you can see. And it also has big wheels, which, by the way, as you're gonna see over here on both sides, it comes with brakes. So if something happens or something like that, you're losing control or that person is losing control, it will just kind of like hit the brakes and that's it. So that is a really good feature to have. Also right here, you will find it comes with 5 different adjustment points. So you can just unlock this part over here and make this one to be as low as 32 inches or as high as 36 inches, depending on the height of that person. So that is another good feature. And also, by the way, this thing took me about 10 minutes to assemble. It is really simple. It comes with the instructions and it's also really, really fast and easy to assemble. Right here on the back, you're gonna find this pin. So you can just remove this pin over here. Once you remove this pin, you will also find that this one is completely foldable, so you can take it with you and just like store it if you want. You can put it behind the door or something like that, and once it's ready to go back again, the only thing you will have to do is kind of like do this, make sure that that is aligned, and then you push this one, and again you're gonna kind of like make sure that it's completely aligned, just like that if I'm not mistaken, and you push this pin over here, push it a little bit more, and it's all ready to go. Two more things that I want to show you. This right here that comes not only here on the grip, which both grips, which by the way, you will see that section over here is going to be for kind of like having a nice grip when you're kind of like putting your entire hand over there. So this is a really good thing to have, and this nice grip for your hands. But also this right here has reflection or reflective kind of like sections over here on the other side and also on the wheel. So if it is at night and a car is coming or something like that, it will reflect on this one and it will see you. Last but not least, this is kind of like what I was telling you before about going to the supermarket or something like that with assisted walking. You have this kind of like a storage inside, so it will be really good to just put those groceries or things inside. So that is another really good thing about this kind of like tricycle pusher cart. So one more time, for that elderly person that needs assisted walking, or for yourself if you just like got out of a post-op or something like that, this one, it will be really good just again to have that assisted walking with some storage, with a nice grip, and also really easy to assemble, 32 and 36 inches tall and low as well. And of course this one is going to give you that support that you need when you need assistance for walking.